fire. How you do that?
Welcome to Moolah World. We out here.
Shit fire. Oh God, shit fire.
Look at that. Look at those rear diffusers. Diffusers mean, bro. Oh my goodness. SVJ. See the pipes coming out the back. Rear right here, the SVJ. See the difference. Carbon fiber diffuser. Here's where we get to the arc. D12, baby. The arc. Carbon fiber wing, just like the same. Here's the artwork. Carbon fiber top. Yeah, carbon fiber intake. LG. Carbon fiber top. Beautiful. Yeah, look at that, man. Oh, man. You see the ignition, right? Like the screen. Carbon fiber doors. Beautiful. Beautiful. Grand Sport, baby.
I'm spoiled now. Because I'll go in like 7 o'clock.
Grand Sport, this one, baby.
Last season was 550. Niggas doing that for a year. Keeping the man of the house. Mama had the stroke. His man's in the house.
Nigga McLaren, baby.
Bitch, you can stand up. Wow, let the tip off, baby. Jump that ass up and down. All that hip hop, baby. I got 'em looking up to me. I'm on the tip top, baby. Ask me why I'm always shining. It's always shade. I got 'em in a condition, baby. You driving me crazy. Say I fucks with the clip, but I ain't letting you fade. I ain't leaving my nigga like Brady, baby. Say, oh yeah, she like. I told her don't fight.
Yeah,
She got me inside. I'm about to strike.
I live right behind McDonald's. Yeah, I don't need to drive back.
Then we got another guy we
Got the purple McLaren.
She gon' go cause I say so. Yeah, she gon' do what I say so.
Shout out to Sin. You know he about to get one. Oh. That's how we do it. That's how you supposed to do it. That's how you supposed to do it. Look at those hard ass intakes. Good God. Look at this, man. Look at this, man. Come on, man. Come on. I don't know if our camera gonna do any justice for this paint, but oh my God, come on, man. Come on, look at that. Animal, look at those brake calipers. Animal, animal, animal. Look at those. Animal. Yeah. Beautiful. Dance gang. Like a grill on this. Still your chick Mustang. Nice. Nice.
I'm dead serious.
Magic illusions blow your mind. Yeah. Very rare, can't you see I'm hard to find? Free the homie, cause the real ones doing time. See me, man, I always push my line. Chopper on me, nigga, like I'm a machete. Fuck that nigga, turn it, burn it, confetti. Came with it, but you niggas ain't ready. Now you run around saying I'm petty. Brown skin, like it's chocolate and Nestle. Give me 50 feet.
My baby. My baby. Love her. Yeah, Your heart. And it's on. The light pattern. Man, intakes, man. I love intakes. I think the more the better. Carbon fiber interior. Nice pedal shifters. Nice and low to the ground. Oh. Aston Martin. God dang. Wow. Wow. Check those rear diffusers. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's the big boy, Diablo. Art. Beautiful. Favorite Lambo, Diablo. DT at that. That's what I'm talking about.
Living right now, well, baby, I don't care. I'm really beating from the back and let me pull on your ass. She said she want me doing raw, baby, I can't go there. Wanna ride in my space, said she wanna go in my space. She wanna go in my said she tryna ride in my space. Said I'm going my babe, I'm about to leave in my space. Said I'm about to go in my space. I'm about to go in my. Said I grew up on the edge, kept falling off the ledge. Lot of homies doing time.
Diablo, baby. Diablo. Fine, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Pull up. That's right. That's right. Check out the diffusers on the back. All carbon fiber. Whole rear carbon fiber. Carbon fiber top. Just got up on it. Roof intake, carbon fiber. Oh my God. I've never seen an M2. My first time seeing an M2 up close and personal. First time. Never seen an M2. Wow. 88. Beautiful. Beautiful. Check out the interior. Check out the interior. Oh my God, the camera not want to do any justice. Intake. This Porsche's mean too, man. Porsche's mean. Good. Nice and wide. See the yellow seatbelts like I got? McLaren game. Check out that package. Serious package.
Come more often here, huh?
Look at that Lockwood, man. Wow. Aventador. That's right.
Say I spent it back in these clothes.
It's
Say I
hard.
turn the rap on these hoes. Watch on the pop. They watching me go get the dough. I swear I just kicked in the door. Tell me where you from. Obviously I don't know. I swear I just
Yes,
need
she
to
is.
know. She said she wanted me.
In person.
Said me I gotta get a flight. Said bitch I fly to friendly
Breaks.
skies. LAX I'm out the night. Said bitch I fly to friendly skies. LAX I'm out the night. Say I done hit all the
Yeah, but
Say I done hit all the Say I done hit all these bitches. I done got up my riches. Back up off me, you bitches. Get
that
my
bread
shit out the
diffuser.
trenches. And weigh my shit on the benches. Just living life is terrific. See, I'm above all these bitches. Mac and finger
like
to the
this.
snitches. We kicking those, is you with me? Good, let me know, is you with me? Yeah, it's kinda funny. Shopping sprees as it's did me. These G-stars really fit me. This bad bitch coming with me. This D-stars really fit me. This bad bitch coming with me. No life, yes you want it. Melrose where sunny. Talking cash, I sold onions. Yeah, I really got the money.
Break a bitch down. All this moolah uptown. So much game, can't rush it. Cali time with a Russian. Gotta chillin', no cussing. God's plan, can't rush it. Teamwork off the block. Tellin' made from the socks. Now we eatin' off the yacht. Grind hard for my spot. Now we eatin' off the yacht. Grind hard for my spot. Moolah.
Said she wanted me tonight. Said me I gotta get a flight. Said bitch I fly to friendly skies. LAX I'm out the night. Said bitch I fly to friendly skies. LAX I'm out the night. Say I done hit all the hoes. Say I done hit all the hoes. She said she wanted me tonight. Said me I gotta get a flight. Said bitch I fly to friendly skies. LAX I'm out the night. Said bitch I fly to friendly skies. LAX I'm out the night. Say I done hit all the hoes. Say I done hit all the hoes.
You think I'm a sellout? Why? Because I live in a big house or I dress a certain way? Or maybe it's because I like Barry Manilow.
Even Barry White, y'all.
Being black isn't what I'm trying to be, it's what I am. I'm running the same race and jumping the same hurdles you are, so why are you tripping me up? You said we need to stick together, but you don't even know what that means.
Yeah.
I might pull up in a
Back to the Vegas.
I might get another
First place, shut up, bro, guys. Let's
All my
see.
homies never
Full carbon fiber. NRG 59 and Twin.
I might get another I might get another
Lamborghini Aventador.
I might pull up in a whip, get another bitch. All my niggas never snitch, and my shooters never miss. I might get another whip, get another bitch. All my niggas never snitch, and my shooters never miss. I'm like,
And she said that I done shit. Want me put them in a V. Say I'm too legit to be. You see I'm on a
yeah, she said I'm a shit. Watch me put up in a mix. Yeah, I'm too legit to quit. You see how I'm on a bitch. Yeah, she said it I'm a shit. Want me put up in a mix. Yeah, I'm too legit to quit. You see how I'm on a bitch. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's the carbon
Stay well equipped, yeah. Off the rip, yeah. Murder on the strip, yeah. All this ice in my piece, in my life, I'm a beast. Fuck your wife, make her ski. That's the light in my leaf. Remember nights, it was frip. Now these hoes getting flipped. Now my
Porsche has been looking good lately.
my clothes cost a grip. Legit, bitch. Quitters never win, bitch. Molly dipping, call up all your sisters. Freaking hoes making porno clips. With the dick, touch your toes, show my bros. Shit, you really with the shit
Gotta have
all night.
what I'm talking about.
Pussy popping right,
Carbon
yeah.
fiber.
Beat it right, yeah. Pussy popping nice, yeah.
Carbon fiber wing, that wing, oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness. I can't
Watch me put up in a mix. Yeah, I'm too legit to quit. You see how I'm on a bitch. Yeah, she said it I'm a shit. Watch me put up in a mix. Yeah, I'm too legit to quit. You see how I'm on a bitch. Yeah.
see the interior. Oh man, carbon fiber steering wheel, carbon fiber dash. Seats. Yeah. Shout out to the big boy. Yeah, shout out. See the pipes on the side? Boy. No confusion. Didn't keep like it was last week. It's alright. Came at the tail, man. You know? Fucking wheels looking good. That's the right goal. Right ones. Carbon fiber split intake, carbon fiber turbine. Oh shit. M series, baby. Look. The Empire. Nice. That motherfucker. Red carbon fiber. Oh my god, look at on top though. They got the shit. Y'all doing it. That's right. That's right. Hell yeah. Carbon fiber top. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. M3 gang. Yeah. Yeah.
Go ahead with the shit, cause later on you be wanting this dick. Cuss me out, bitch, go ahead with the shit, cause later on you be wanting this dick. So I don't know why I deal with the shit, man, I'm about to leave. I ain't feeling the shit, bitch, in my honor, I ain't feeling that bitch. Headed to the hill, with the rich. Headed to the hill, back with the